I think lag switch is a form of hacking. I think it's just I'm gonna leave it at the kid had bad internet, and it was serving him because I couldn't move. I'm just gonna leave it at he had bad internet. Now, I'm already seeing the communicating thing, so I really hope communicating doesn't mean that this guy's internet's bad. Jojo, need your help. What are you doing, Jojo? He's gonna go in for a Kyle. No, maybe he'll just use that kid. Oh no, he's using that one Naruto character's attack. I forgot his name already. The one with the white hair and the mask gets shot. Come on. Uh-oh. I was very scared that I wasn't blocking for a second, and I almost let go of the button. What are you talking about? Come here. What the? Come on, come in. I know you want to. What the? Order! Sometimes you just gotta let out a battle cry, so your mind can be at ease for a little bit. Spirit Bomb! Oh my god. Die! What, you want? Oh my god. Ridiculous. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. Ridiculous. Order. Come on, you got 6 seconds. Come on! No! Ugh, good grief. I did not mean to do that on purpose. But still, good grief. Yeah, how do you like it, huh? How do you like it when someone breaks you out of your guard? Nope. Come here so I can choke you. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate how it literally went all the way over to him. But no, his ult just pierced through my attack, even though I was right on him. Come here. I'm gonna choke you out and punch you in your face. Have you heard of the road roller treatment? It's pretty good for your back. Come on. Have you heard of the road roller treatment? It's good for your back. Take Tokyo. What? Oh my god, this kid just threw. This kid just threw the game. That's what you get. I don't care. I don't care. This kid literally threw the game. I just made this kid rage quit. Joke's on him though, because once he gets online, his rank is going to be gone. So I don't care. Joke's on that kid. Whatever. I don't care. I do the same thing.